Removing a payment method from Microsoft Teams is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment information is updated or removed as needed. Step 1. Open Microsoft Teams. Launch the Microsoft Teams application on your computer or mobile device. Ensure you are logged into the account associated with the payment method you wish to remove. Step 2. Access Settings. Click on your profile picture or initials in the top right corner of the Teams interface. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to open the Settings menu. Step 3. Navigate to Billing. In the Settings menu, look for the Billing or Payments section. Click on it to view your current payment methods and billing information. Step 4. Select Payment Method. Locate the payment method you want to remove. There should be an option to manage or edit your payment methods. Click on the payment method to access more options. Step 5. Remove Payment Method. Once you have selected the payment method, look for the option to remove or delete it. Confirm your choice when prompted to ensure the payment method is successfully removed. After following these steps, your payment method should be removed from Microsoft Teams. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Microsoft support for further assistance.